How to post on LinkedIn. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, simply search for linkedin.com, and once you search for it, you want to go ahead and simply tap on start a post. Just like so, this is going to open up, and inside here simply type in the text you would like to post on LinkedIn. And then if you tap onto it, you'll then be able to add a video. And when you tap on add a photo, you'll then be able to add photo from your computer. Just like that, if you would want to create an event, you want to go ahead and tap onto it. And if you would like to add more, such as creating a poll or adding a document, you can go ahead and tap onto it. Also, you can simply schedule this for later. And just like that, once all of this is done, you can go ahead and simply tap on this drop down to go ahead and select your audience. Once it is done, you'll then be able to find a post icon. You want to go ahead and simply tap on post, and just like that, you'll then be able to successfully post on LinkedIn. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.